In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 8th of October 2021 and the day Friday. Now, look at Nifty 50. It is just consolidating. It's a much needed consolidation and it is consolidating near the top. So, after this candle, which had formed a low and that low has been maintained, then after three candle we saw a big bearish engulfing, and then now we see one candle pattern, and this candle pattern is called a homing pigeon pattern. Now those who know candlestick pattern knows that this candlestick pattern is called homing pigeon pattern, and it's a bearish pattern. So it suggests that upsides are now limited. We are now overbought and we may go to another 150, 200, 250 point like this, but the upside seems to be limited from this moment. So that's what this candle pattern suggests. And if this low is broken, then we can see some dip or some correction in Nifty. Now that's a broader view. Now if we come to an 1 hour chart, and we can see that this is a kind of a sell-off. Now this can be some expiry issues, but still it's a consolidation and it closed near about where it opened. So that's a typical expiry thing. And now a small inside candle, a small halting candle has been formed. Now this looks like a negative, and what we call is neckline star. We call it neckline star, and it's a bearish as well. So if this low is taken out, then we can see some sharp dip on the downside till 16650 level. This level can come. So if this level is crossed, if this low of this candle is crossed, then we can go short in Nifty. Now for immediate tomorrow, what we can do is that this is a low that is being maintained, 17760. Now if this low is crossed, then we can go short below 17760, keeping some 30 point as stop loss, and we can expect near about 80 point as target, and this could be a positional trade as well. So if Nifty has to go up, then it has to go up opening flat and then slowly going up, or it can open gap up and then take support and then go up. But if it opens gap down, then it would be easy to cross this level. And once this level is crossed, we can see some sharp fall up to maybe this area. So things are not looking bullish as of now, or you can sell call at this moment. Buying put is not recommended as of now, but you can sell put. Now looking at Bank Nifty, you can see that it opened up but failed to cross the high, and then it came down and a small candle has been made. So it's well within this range, and until this range is not broken on any side, we can say that Bank Nifty is consolidating. So in a broader range, Bank Nifty is in a consolidation. Now in 1 hour chart, you can see that after a fall, this is a near what a big candle, and it has taken support at this level with a small candle that we call a doji. Now if this low is crossed, so there is an indecision in the market. Maybe tomorrow there is an RBI policy for Bank Nifty. Maybe Bank Nifty is looking for that, is waiting for that. So the IV is going to be high, the volatility is going to be high tomorrow. So if good things emerge from RBI policy, then Bank Nifty may rally upward or it can fall sharply also. So if this low is crossed near 37,700, then we can expect a 200 point dip immediately near this zone. And if it has to go up, then it can continue going up, and 38,000 will be the first resistance, and then 38,200 will be the next resistance. So tomorrow, if it opens in this area, then chances are, if it opens in this area, then chances are that it will come down, and if this level is crossed, 37,640, if this level is crossed on the downside, we can go short and we can keep 200 point as target, and we can keep some around 80 point as stop loss. So we can keep 80 point stop loss against a 200 point target on the downside immediately. On the upside, I'll say that there are multiple resistances. So until and unless this area is crossed, this zone is crossed, it is better not to trade in a directional way. So if it opens up and slowly crosses this level and sustains, then we can go long, and 38,000 and 38,200 will be our target on the upside. And if this level is crossed on the downside, then we can expect this level to come again, and we can keep our target based on that also. And in between this, we can do some straddle or strangle, we can sell, and we can just take the time value, because I don't see a directional trade if Bank Nifty stays within this range. The first stock for tomorrow is Escorts. Now look, it is consolidated, and then it broke out, and then it again gave a breakout, and then made a green candle, 3 green candles. If we consider these 2 candles, then what we find is a neckline star pattern. Now neckline star pattern is taught on the technique, the futures and options champion course, and it is also valid for equity trading, but it's mainly taught for future and options champion in that course. And the link for the course is given in description below. It's from Elan Market. The link, you can just go and check that course from the link given below. So this is what is called a neckline star, a bullish neckline star. And if this high is crossed, then we can go long, we can buy above 1520, keeping some 5 point stop loss, and 1:2 target should be minimum on the upside. Now we can say that we can take a 30 point, as per neckline star setup, we can take a 30 to 40 point move on the upside, and that's tomorrow only, but will not give you that much hope, because that would take a much longer move. So I'll say that if you're taking 5 point risk, you should at least take 10 point profit, and then you can trail your stop loss, and your target should be at least 30 point on the upside. So if it goes in a flow, then 30 point can be achieved easily. The next stock is TCS. Now this is already a breakout. Now this pattern is also a neckline star pattern. This pattern is also a neckline star pattern, and it has also given a breakout. So what we can do is we should have, this trade is actually a BTST trade. You have taken here, and maybe tomorrow you will exit, but for tomorrow also you can take this trade with, and if it crosses 3898 on the upside, or I'll say if I go on a daily chart, you can also see that 3900, this is the level. So tomorrow, if it crosses 3900 we can buy, and 10 point will be the stop loss on the downside, and 1:2 target on the upside, which means you should aim for at least 20 points on the upside. But as per neckline star setup, as per neckline star setup, 35 to 40 points should be the target. So what you can do is you aim for 20. Now after 20 points is reached, you book some profit, or you trail the stop loss and target for this 35 to 40 point range. So this could be the target what you can achieve. And looking at a 10 point stop loss, it is more than 1:3 or 1:4, and that can also be achieved tomorrow. But 1:2 should be the minimum that you are going to aim for. Now that's a good risk and reward. Now next stock is Dr. Reddy. This is also kind of a neckline star, or you can just see that this is clearly a downtrend, and if this low is crossed, then we can go short below 48. We can go short below 48.80, and we can keep a stop loss of 10 to 12 points, and 1:2 target will be on the downside. The next stock is Marico. Now you can see that it clearly is in a downtrend, right? It clearly is in a downtrend. Look at this steep range. It gave a breakout and now is sustaining, and if this low is crossed again, we can go short below 560, and keeping a stop loss of maybe 2 to 3 points will be the stop loss on the upside, and 1:2 target can be achieved on the downside. So this should be your target. So that is for today. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.